So we've arrived at Old Town Kissimmee. Check it out there. Have a look what this is all about. And just check that Mustang 5 litre out here. Amazing car. So we've got a place here, Interstate 4 Detour. Don't know what that's all about. Oh, it's a barber's haircutting salon, so I could grab my haircut there if I wanted to. So we've got like a little play area, merry-go-rounds and different rides. And I think this is where we start and have a look at the old town here. It looks very nice up there. All oldie type shops. And look at this palm tree, it just looks absolutely amazing, that does. So let's have a look what we've got here. We've got the popcorn company. There's loads and loads of different shops and everything here. Beer and wine, soda. Look how nice it is in the centre with all the seating and the fountain and everything. And we've got a general store there. Let's have a look what they've got in the window there. Jigsaw puzzles. Got a lovely fountain there. That looks really, really nice. The buildings are just amazing how they are all designed here. They look fantastic. Look at all the stuff they've got in the window here. All this like wooden stuff, like a horse and different things. That's an interesting shop. Got the Old Town Railway. And they've got an unusual sort of water display here. Let's just go check this out as well for you. This does look really, really good. It's all made of wood, and we've got water flowing down there. It's all coming from that tank. So yeah, I really do like that, and just look how it's flowing in there. It's got like a metal encasement into it. Carry on going down a little bit more here. Look at the shops across there. They painted like orange and silver, white and brown. So again, like I say, it is early on a Sunday morning here, so nowhere's really open. Probably need another hour and a half, and everywhere will start opening up. And straight in front of us, we've even got a ferris wheel. Music again, so we'll have to watch that as we do this particular video again. Got a tattoo shop. More really, really nice seats and a nice fountain again there. We'll have a look at that as we go past it. Let's check check that out. That does look really, really nice. People just chilling, probably waiting for the shops open, and one shop is actually open there, and there's a really old car in there. We've got the out of this world shop there, and we've got a chair made out of a Chevy bumper and a Chevy bootleg. Old Town clock, and look at the building in front of the clock there. That looks absolutely spectacular with the rusty tin look on it. And there's everything. There's like an Old Town amusement park there. And look at this old place with a big old American truck. Let's go have a look at that and see what's going on there. So these places, they're just massive. You could spend ages and ages and ages in them. Old Town amusement park here. So you could spend hours and hours and hours just in this area here. It's absolutely amazing. This truck's just fantastic. It really does look well for this oldie shop that we've got here. The one I do like, and I think is amazing, is the one in front of me there with the rusty tin roof. That just does look absolutely fantastic. And there's the clock again. So let's carry on a little bit further down here now. And shops are starting to open here now. They're all really, really like oldie world looking. Another kiosk which is shut. But just look at this building here. Let's just go the other side here and take a look at it there for you. The haunted house. Look at the different things hanging up there. And again, we've got this fountain here again. So we've got loads and loads of these. More amazing shops. Like I say, you could spend hours and hours just walking up and down these streets here, having a look at all these really, really nice shops. We've got draft beer in front of us, the Southern Breeze. Look at the detail again we've got on that building. So across this road, and the theme park's absolutely massive, because where I just showed you, it goes straight down in front of me as well, and there's a Ferris wheel there. So they've got these Ferris wheels absolutely everywhere here. Take a look at the trees there, how beautiful that looks, how they've trimmed that. And we've got a shop here, and it says it's the British shop. So as we go past, we'll just have a look at that. And it's like a London bus, the front of the shop is there. I'd imagine this is very nice at night. We've got the old town leather across there. Now near the bottom of the street here, there's music playing again quite loud, so that's a pain. Look at this place we've got here selling cold drinks. And we're coming now to the bottom, and I think this, as we go around here, is coming into the amusement centre again. I didn't realise when Darryl said we were going to come here just how big this place actually is. Hot dogs, fries, burgers, cheeseburgers, fish and chips. They've got the lot there. And in front of me, we've got the big ferris wheel, where you can get your tickets, and it says there, thanks for visiting Old Town. So this must be the end, and we've even got a slingshot there again. So these slingshots are absolutely everywhere. Look at the Ferris wheel. I've got a fish spa there, a tattoo studio, and we've got a sign here saying Old Town again, by Old Town USA. Fab place. The heat now is just getting absolutely tremendous. At this side of the Old Town, we've got all different car wheel trims on the wall there, from all older generation cars. Looks quite effective, that does as well. Look how colourful this shop here is, with all its different bits and things. Like I say, let's have a walk back up, looking at this side of the road and the shops here. There's just everything here. If you went in every one of these shops, you'd be here for just absolute ages and ages and ages. We've got another like gift type of place, and look at that big stuffed dog there. It's different stuff there, different t-shirts. Got Mickey Mouses and everything like that in the window there. And look at these Hawaiian shirts they've got. They do look good. Yeah, I mean, animal gifts, Florida and Disney souvenirs, right? I think what makes it so nice here, how they've got these buildings with the balconies on, and how they painted all different colours. It makes it look absolutely phenomenal. So this is Old Town. I can't believe what a big fairground they've got as well. It needs another Dodge seat made out of a Dodge bumper and a Dodge tailgate. Look at all the old places we've got here. We've got an ice cream shop there, homemade ice cream. Like I say, you've got the haunted house here. That must be pretty good to go in and have a look at. And it does look absolutely amazing as you look at the building as well. It's this lovely fountain we've got here. That looks fantastic as well. Like I say, these places here must be amazing in the day when it's all out. Ticket store there for all the amusements and the rides, so you can purchase your tickets there and jump in and get on the rides. And this building in front now, this yellow one with all the balcony around it and painted yellow and white, that looks absolutely stunning as well there. So check that one out. So I really have enjoyed walking through this old town here. It's been very, very good. Well worth coming. So again, if you are here in Orlando, Florida, get yourself here to Old Town. And as I say, this yellow and white building here is just out of this world. That fountain again we looked at as we started walking down here by this again beautiful building, the Black Market. There's a few more people now coming as it's getting later on in the day. There's a Mickey store, and here we've got a woodcraft gift shop. So everything in that good gift shop is crafted out of wood. Look it. So look at that table. Don't know whether you can play chess or something on that. Got a food store there. King Folks Chicken and more. You can get yourself a burger or anything you want from there. And then we've got an old barber shop. That looks good, and you can sit outside waiting for your appointment, and there's one or two people actually in there getting their hair cut already. And then right at the top we've got the top end of the amusement park. So like I say, I've really enjoyed walking up here and having a look at this place. So we'll head back to the car now and see where else we can get. So again, there's the car. So we'll get in that now and head to the next destination we're going to take you.